Guys, guess what? Creole Essence sent me a beautiful 4C care package, and I am so excited to try these products out today during my routine. Alright guys, so I just finished shampooing, conditioning, and I also used the So Deep Repair hair mask. I left this on for about 30 minutes, which is more than what I usually leave on for a deep conditioner, but I absolutely loved it. It left my hair feeling super minty, refreshed, and hydrated. We're gonna move on to the next part of my routine, which is detangling and applying my products. I want to say is that the definition is going crazy right now. I am so amazed. I have never seen or felt my hair this defined with any curl cream, and I'm not exaggerating. My shrinkage is not even that bad, which it usually is after I apply product, so it definitely works for length retention because it is really thick. So this is the final product after sitting under the dryer for 40 minutes. I literally have never been able to get definition and volume on the first day. So my hair is super defined, and it is also pretty much at its, I want to say it's like 75% of its full volume on the first day. So I'm absolutely amazed. Like, I cannot believe that I pulled this off on day one without stretching it, without anything. So this is what the back looks like. And then I'll do a close-up in a second. So I just want to say thank you so much to Creole Essence. I do have a 15% off discount code, which is Alina15. So if you're interested in purchasing any of these products, you can go ahead and head over to the link in my bio under Creole Essence.